The question is to calculate the following using the multiplication formula. We know that a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? So 10.2 squared can be written as 10 plus 0.2 squared. And that is equal to, using this formula right here, we have 10 squared plus 2 times 10 times 0.2 plus 0.2 squared, right? So this is equal to 10 squared 100 plus 2 times 10, 20, 20 times 0.2, that's 4, plus 0.2 squared, that's 0.04. So that is equal to 104 plus 0.04, that's 104.04, right? All right, we have 101 squared times 99 squared. This time, we can use a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared, because this expression can be written as 100 plus 1 squared times 100 minus 1 squared, right? This is equal to, we can write 100 plus 1 times 100 minus 1, 100 plus 1 times 100 minus 1, right? So that is equal to 100 plus 1 times 100 minus 1. Using this formula right here, we can say that this is equal to 100 squared minus 1 squared times 100 plus 1 times 100 minus 1. That's also 100 squared minus 1 squared, right? So this is equal to 100 squared minus 1 squared squared. We know that a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, right? So this expression is equal to 100 squared minus 2 times 100 squared times 1 squared plus 1 squared squared. So this is equal to 100 to the power of 4 minus, well, this is 10,000, right? So 20,000 plus, this is just 1. So this number right here, that's 1 with 8 zeros, minus 20,000, minus 20,000, plus 1, right? Plus 1. So that is equal to 99980,001, right?